That's why some of y'all in y'all's 20s looking like y'all in y'all's early 40s because you slept with makeup on. What's up, y'all, and welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to get more towards the skincare side. If you know me, you know I love skincare. That's part of the reason that I decided to become an esthetician. So right now we're gonna talk about the things that I don't need y'all to be doing no more and the things that I need you to start doing. So let's get started. All right. I'm not really sure if I'm gonna do like all my do's and all my don'ts. I'm probably gonna hop back and forth because some of my do's are like intertwined with a few of my don'ts. So the number one do that is not questionable, that I'm not about to argue with you about, that we're not going to debate about is sunscreen. And if you know me, you know how I feel about sunscreen. Put it on. Put it on every day. Put it on every day. Put it on if you leave the house. Put it on if you plan not to leave the house. Put it on. Okay? If you follow me on Instagram, you know that I gave two suggestions of different sunscreens that I personally like. One is by Good Skin. It blends flawlessly. I have it on and you would know because there is no tint to it. Another one is the Black Girl sunscreen. That one blends flawlessly as well, and that one is actually Black owned. You can find that one in Target, and the other one, Good Skin, I believe you can find that one in Ulta. So put it on. You just really just need to find a good one that's going to blend very well. I've heard that the Fenty Skin SPF blends very well too. So if you would like to try that one, go right ahead. I personally have decided to opt out due to the fragrance factors, and that's just I personally have decided to opt out due to the fragrance aspect of it, and I just don't want that in my skincare. So wear your sunscreen. Yes, you can put it over makeup, or no, wait, sorry. Yes, you can put it under makeup. Sunscreen is going to be the last step in your skincare process. We'll do another video about the steps and the orders of things, but sunscreen is your last, and sunscreen is a must, okay? One reason that it is important to wear sunscreen is it helps to protect your skin from skin cancer, hyperpigmentation. If you're working on trying to lighten dark spots and you're putting on all of these lightening serums, but you're going outside and not protecting your skin, you're going to reverse it and it's going to make things darker. Also, right now there is a window to the left of me, and when you're driving, of course, this side of your face is what is exposed the most compared to your right side, or depending on where you live, vice versa. Whichever side is closest to you when you're driving, this part is usually more visibly darker due to the sun rays beaming into your window while you're driving. So it's really important that you protect your skin because we're out here on a day-to-day basis and you're out here exposed to all of these natural factors that will cause skin damage, sun damage, and even skin cancer. One thing I also don't want to hear is that Black people don't need it. I told y'all in the beginning that you need it, so that's just what it's going to be. Yes, African American men and women are less prone to develop a lot of skin issues because of the melanin in our skin. However, we want to protect it, and sunscreen is going to protect it. All right? Okay. The next thing, okay? Take your makeup off at night. All right? We don't want to sleep in makeup, okay? I myself, I go out, you know, you go out, you go have a good time, and you're dead tired. I get it, girl. At least grab a makeup wipe, okay? I remember prior to me getting into school that they told us that your skin ages 2 years when you sleep with makeup on. 2. All right? That's why some of y'all in y'all's 20s looking like y'all in y'all's early 40s because you slept with makeup on. Don't do it. Okay, if nothing at all, take a makeup wipe and at least get it off. Lay them by your bed, your nightstand. Keep them in your car. Take them off on your way home, girl, from the club. But do not sleep in your makeup. Okay? Please don't. Please don't. Thank you. Don't do it. All right? Also, I know you go out. I know y'all like to have a good time, but watch your alcohol intake, okay? I too like to have a little wine. If you know me, you know I love a little wine spritzer or whatever by Barefoot, the blue can. You can get them at Target, Walmart, plugging it in. You just need to just watch your alcohol intake, especially if you like mixed drinks, like most of the girls do. Contains a lot of sugar. So the sugar that you already are consuming on a regular day-to-day basis, on top of whatever you're consuming in your alcohol beverages, you have to watch out for that. Okay? So just be careful of your alcohol intake. They do say red wine is good for the skin. That's one glass that they're talking about. They're not talking about the whole bottle 7 days a week. Okay? So just watch your alcohol intake for us. All right? So then I'm going to just go ahead. So since we're talking about going out and we're talking about taking our makeup off and we're talking about our alcohol, if you go out a lot, you're probably not going to sleep a lot. You need rest. Okay? I'm still working on that myself. However, when you put on these heavy, luxurious skincare products, heavy creams, serums, whatever, in order for them to work, you need to go to sleep. They need to be exposed to nothing. So if you're only getting 1 and 2 hours of sleep and then you're waking up the next, or not 1 or 2 hours, who's just sleeping for 1 or 2 hours? Maybe like 3 or 4, let's say that. Because if you're going to sleep for 1 or 2, you might as well stay up. So let's just say 3 or 4. So if you're going to sleep for 3 or 4 hours, you're going to wake up, you're going to wash your face again, because we wash twice a day, morning and night, and after workouts. Okay, that was another one, to wash your face twice a day and after workouts. So maybe 3 times, but you don't want to over cleanse. Just, real simple after the workout. Okay, or maybe not your solid morning routine and then go work out, but I need 2 solid washes. Okay, that was another do that you need to wash twice a day. All right, so when you only sleep for 3 or 4 hours and then you wake up and you wash all of your luxurious creams and moisturizers and all of that off, they didn't get to work. So you have to rest. You have to get rest. You have to get sleep, because that's how your body is going to replenish itself. That's just an overall general rule, not just for your skin, just for your body overall. You have to get some sleep, okay? So if right now you're getting 4 or 5, let's try to add just another hour. I'm kind of a 7 hours of sleep kind of girl, which is doable. So let's get some rest, okay? Let's get some rest. So I want to piggyback off of what I just said about making sure that you wash your face twice a day. You have to have a consistent regimen. I don't know if some of y'all are skincare hoppers, like a lot of y'all are chair hoppers with getting your hair done, but you cannot be a skincare hopper. You have to give your skin time to try to work with what you're giving it. I say give skincare products at least 6 weeks before you're like, all right, it didn't work. Okay, so we have to give it time to work. You have to give it time to adjust, to depict your skin issues. And I don't know if you guys have seen LA Beautyologist on YouTube or Twitter. She has the 60-second rule as far as cleansing your face. Cleanser is one of the only products that does not stay on your face when you're doing your skincare routine. You use it and then you wash it off. So you want to make sure that it is actually, you're giving it time to work. So you want to cleanse your face for 60 seconds, and you want to also make sure that you have a consistent regimen, that you go in a consistent order, that it's not a new product this day and another product that day. No, okay? Stick with a consistent regimen long enough to give your skin time to adjust and try to work out the issues that you have, or to try to maintain the issues that you don't have. Just don't hop from thing to thing, okay? I be seeing y'all when y'all be posting all of your new skincare products that you got. You're sensitizing your skin, okay? You're the reason that you have sensitive skin. You are. It's not the product. It's not the toner, the wash, the exfoliator. It's you, because you keep changing products up, okay? Speaking of exfoliation, the skin sheds every 21 or 28 days. I can't remember. And as you get older, it sheds even less. So that 21 or 28 days may turn into 35 days, may turn into 42 days. You have to help your skin bring in new skin. You have to help your skin rejuvenate. Is that the word? Yes. You have to help your skin rejuvenate. So in order to do that, that's where exfoliation comes from. Also, exfoliation is great for texture issues. It's great for discoloration, hyperpigmentation, dark spots. Even it's going to help you with acne. So exfoliation is key in your skincare routine, okay? Of course, there are other things that are key and that are important, but exfoliation is really great because it helps with a lot of underlying issues, all right? There's different type of exfoliations. There's manual, which is where you have like the Clarisonic brush, or that one that starts with an F, but it's like the silicone. That's my favorite. I prefer silicone manual exfoliations just because the bristles can sometimes tear the underlining of the skin. There are chemical exfoliations, which usually are like masks that will eat away at the dead skin while you have it on there. And then there's physical exfoliations, which are more of the scrubs. Speaking of scrub, this is a big don't. That apricot scrub, that walnut scrub that Kylie came out with, throw that away. You're tearing your skin, okay? We don't want those types of scrubs. We want light scrubs like rice. The Dermalogica microfoliant is bomb. If you watched my last skincare video where I talked about my skincare routine, that is a product that I use, that I love. I wish I had it down here with me, but it's literally like fine rice powder. It's super thin, super light, and it emulsifies kind of into like a cleanser. You can either keep rubbing it in, or you can make it into a mask by adding just a little bit of water and just leaving it on your face and then rubbing it in. It's great. It's bomb. I highly suggest it. All right. So make sure you're exfoliating. With that, you don't want to over exfoliate. When you exfoliate, you open your pores and you pretty much open your skin up for whatever good stuff that you're about to add into it and helping it release the bad stuff out. So you don't want to over exfoliate your skin. I say 2 to 3 times a week. And once again, pick a consistent product. You don't want to use the Clarisonic brush and then use a harsh exfoliant and then use an enzyme mask, because enzymes are exfoliants as well that can really damage your skin by overdoing it, which was also one of my things. Don't overdo it with your skincare, okay? Even though simple isn't for everybody, depending on the issues that you have, you don't want to overdo it. You don't want to exfoliate every night. You don't want to mask every night, okay? Why? The only thing you need to do every day is wear sunscreen, okay? Okay. All right, so I got maybe like 3 more, okay? The next one, which is very, 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 very important, drink your water, okay? Water and sleep are 2 important things for your body, not even just your skin, for your body. Drink your water. They say that you should take your weight and divide it by 2, and that's how many ounces you should drink a day. I don't know. I ain't never really tried it or figured out. I just try to just reach for it when I'm thirsty, or I like to get really what I use is I have a half-gallon jug that I drink every day, and I drink 2 of those a day. It's just less overwhelming than walking around with a jug of water all day long. So I try to drink 2 of those a day, and that really is going to just hydrate your skin, purify your skin, give your skin the things that it needs. Because one thing that people misconstrue is that when they feel like they have oily skin, that they need to stop doing stuff, which I'll get to that too. Your skin is oily because it's dehydrated, okay? So it's dehydrated, so we need to add moisture into it. We need to add moisture into our body, okay? Add moisture onto it, all right? So drink your water. So just like I said about oily skin, if you're oily, don't stop moisturizing, all right? Do not. Keep moisturizing your skin. Come here. You're oily because you're skipping moisturizer, and your skin it's producing more oil because it's dehydrated. Put your moisturizer on. I promise you, you'll see a difference. If you have oily skin, get a gel-based moisturizer or a water-based moisturizer where it's really creamy and gooey and it kind of looks like water. It'll just lay on your skin beautifully. If you have dry skin, get a more thicker one because you need all that moisture just to help with the dryness. But if you are oily, which most African American women are, put on your moisturizer. Do not skip your moisturizer because your skin is going to think, oh, I'm dehydrated. Let me produce what I need in order to hydrate me. So it's going to produce more oil. And then you just gonna keep not moisturizing, thinking that that's helping. Whole time, all you need to do is lather it on, sis. Lather it on, okay? So do not skip moisturizer, especially if you are an oily girl, okay? And my next two things, detox your body. We drink, we eat out, you know, quarantine done had us up in the house eating snacks, myself included. Detox your body. Detoxing isn't just about losing weight. It's really about purifying your body and pushing that out. And when you detox it, your skin might even purge. Like I have a pimple somewhere over here. I'm currently detoxing. So my skin is going to purge and push things out that are trapped in my body. Detox your body. I would suggest doing it every couple of months or after a vacation or when you feel really sluggish, just to help give you that boost. I personally wouldn't consider detoxing often to help with weight loss because there's only but so much bad water weight or whatever that's like within your body that is just that detoxing is gonna fix. Sometimes you're gonna have to change your diet, sis. Okay, detoxing ain't gonna fix it all. It's just gonna give you a fresh restart so you can add good stuff in. All right, so detox. And my last one, don't touch your skin with your dirty hands. Okay, we be on our phones all day. Oh, and here's another one, clean your phone screen. Clean your phone screen because you be like, hello, and this thing be dirty. It be in your back pocket, it be in your purse, it be in your car, it be under your pillow. Oh, I just thought of another one. Change them pillowcases. Change your sheets. Wash them makeup brushes. Look at all the stuff just coming to me that I just forgot about. All of that stuff affects your skin. That makeup that's been sitting on your makeup brush for a month and you continue to keep using that same brush to apply more makeup, that's why you breaking out, sis. Wash them makeup brushes and change your sheets, especially your pillowcases. All right, you lay your head on your pillow. That's why you break out on one side, girl, because that pillowcase is dirty. So, yeah, pay attention to the things that are touching your face, your phone, your hands, your makeup brushes, your pillows. I don't know, your mama's couch, whatever. Wash it, okay? Keep it clean. Take a little alcohol wipe and air it out, okay? And don't touch your face because your hand's not clean. Don't. All right, y'all. So that's it. That's all I got for you. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm really excited to kind of expose and do more skincare videos. I love and adore skincare. So I hope you guys like this. Be sure to like, subscribe, share this with a friend. Comment below and tell me your skincare do's and don'ts and the things that you don't do and the things that you do that help keep your skin looking flawless, sis. Okay? Share the wealth. All right. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. I will be back with another video soon. And yeah, bye.